Hey, I'm Jonathan,
And I'm Lily.
and our room, well, her room's a mess. But I spent enough time in here, it's affecting my mental health too.
Let's just say the last 3 months of my life have been absolute chaos. We graduated from college yesterday, which is crazy.
Yeah.
Big
I
milestone.
swear I'm not this short. This is actually how tall I am. But
Yes.
you know, I gotta stay in frame.
Anyways. Whoa. It's time to clean this dump up.
Let's give a montage of the dump.
This is actually so hard for me because I hate people seeing my mess, but this is probably like therapeutic.
And maybe this will motivate you to go clean your room, because I know it's dirty. 3, 2, 1, boom. I have a really long lens, so this camera is set up in the opposite end of the room. But she just moved out of the dorms, and so we got like 2 rooms worth of stuff in 1 room. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. All right, I'm gonna start on this. Lily will come join soon. Here we go. Got a belt. Holy smokes, what is this? That's horrifying to look at. This right here has got to be one of the most stupid designs for a hanger. I'm going to highly advocate that this gets thrown away. Garbage. We've got un singular sock. We shall see if we find another sock to go with this sock. Granola girl shirt. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, a hat. This is a lot of winter stuff. I think the last time she was like consistently in her dorm was the winter, so. Hey! Now we got a mic. A mirror mic. Call that mic. I really need to get a wider lens in this camera. It's so punched in. I've got like this really small field of view that I need to be in. It's hilarious. Oh, wait. Why have I been using a lowly mirror when I could be using a lantern? All right, we got shoes. Some pink Hokas. Some more shoes. There feels like there's weights in these. Good heavens. There's some Nike Air Maxes. Hello. These are giving like mid-2000s low-rise jean outfit vibes. These might be going. Another down. Some little bag ASMR. Oh, some grandpa pants. Let's go. Pajama grandpa pants. ASMR bag throw. This is gonna be my mic for the rest of this. We finished the bag of clothes area. I'm gonna put the clothes on the bed so that she can put them away. So I know it's not fully put away, but I swear it's gonna be. Just gotta start in bite-sized chunks, you know, when a room gets this bad. You know, you just gotta take one little nibble at a time. It's like when your grandma makes you a really bad pie. That's never happened to me, but you know, if your grandma makes you a really bad pie, you need to take bite-sized chunks off that pie to make her think that you like it. Same thing with, like, you know, cleaning this room. You gotta take bite-sized chunks of cleaning this room to make yourself think that you like cleaning the room. Make the room feel like you like cleaning it, and it might be more responsive to being cleaned. Okay, I'm gonna get this cleared and let's move on. Oh. Hey, you can only see my legs, can't you? Got the floor cleaned in front of this little corner now. Now, what's up next is cleaning this corner so that it looks aesthetic as well as actually being clean. It's hard to care about your surroundings these days. All right, here we go. Got a difficult riddle for you guys. You ready? Blend a teapot shot so the pearlies won't rot. What am I? Toothpaste? Huh? Blend a teapot shot so the pearlies won't rot. Okay, pearlies are teas. Toothpaste. I don't get it. I'm dumb. I don't get this one. This book's above my pay grade. I'm so sorry. Wow. You remember how that looked at the beginning? That looks nice now. Even that corner now. Hello? Next step. We're gonna clean this corner up next. Made some progress over here. So I actually bought something recently. It's a whole bunch of gear. And I am talking on a lifestyle and wellness channel, so I doubt any of you guys care about this. I bought some new camera gear for Lily to work with. I don't need all of it, so I'm gonna resell some of it. And so some of it's just laying around here cluttering the space, and it's deeply bothering me. Probably more than it's bothering her, even though it's her room. I'm so sorry, Lily. Shade break. We got this. That's looking nice. This area is looking nice. Nice overexposed. And then voila! Hey, look at that. All right, I'm gonna pick this back up when Lily can join us because she needs to be here for the rest of that. Wow, that's kind of a tough shot. Whoa.
I have a black plastic bag of winter clothes in there.
Oh, goody.
I hope that this video has made you feel much better about your life and your room because Instagram is very fake.
But at the end of this video, you're gonna feel horrible about your room because this room's gonna look so much better than your room. Just currently doesn't.
Anyways, I just moved out of the dorms and I found so many clothes that I was like, oh, you know, clothes are like dear friends. Like, you know how hair holds memory? That's what they say. I think clothes also hold memory, which is why when you have a really awful day in like a t-shirt, you usually throw that t-shirt away or give it to someone you don't like. Or maybe I'm super weird and nobody else does that but me. Did you ever do that?
Nope.
Really?
Yup.
It's so vivid for me. I don't know what that says about me. Story time. I was teaching spin. I have a lot of older clients because the gym that I work at is placed in a very expensive place to live. So the only people who can afford going to this gym are mostly older people. Love them to pieces. I played a song called, I think, Teenage Dirtbag. I don't remember what it was called. I heard it and I was like, this would be a really fun song to spin to. Let's do some sprints, 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off. So I play it and immediately, this guy who usually is in his own world, he's the sweetest of sweethearts, his head snaps up. I didn't say a word. He goes, I love this song. And I go, Teenage Dirtbag, baby? And he goes, yeah, this was my jam in high school. And I was like, okay. So anyways, that was a very silly moment for me. And that was one of the most shocking moments of my week. How are you feeling now that you've graduated?
It was very anticlimactic to me.
Why?
Just felt like I walked across the stage. They said all my cool things, flexed about me, and then I walked off. And I think if it had been in an air-conditioned room, it would have felt a lot more special.
Oh, I agree with that.
It was like only like 85, so it wasn't that bad. But
no, it was that bad.
But you're in, well, no, theoretically, like shorts and a t-shirt, it's not that bad. But you're in like, you know, full dress pants, full like button-down t-shirt. Some people are even in suits out there. Plus, you've got your black robes over all of that.
Black hat.
Black hat.
Who thought that was a good idea?
In the sun, no shade. Not well thought through.
No bueno. And I had lays, which very, very sweet. Not complaining. However, they made me very, very warm because there was no like breathing, airflow, none of that. I thought I was gonna die of heat stroke.
Guys, I'm peaking.
You're peeking the mic?
No, I'm peaking.
In Lyfe?
In Lyfe right now.
No, you're not.
I just found another matching sock. Well, guys, also, this is the first video we've posted since we hit 1,000 subscribers.
Which is huge. I actually cannot believe there are that many of us. I am the luckiest girl in the whole world, by the way. Now that I'm not that busy, I'm super excited about creating more content and content that you guys actually want to see. I'm starting a challenge tomorrow. So stick around because really good things are coming.
This video is done. Jonathan hit his burn point.
He did.
He really did.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah,
we
thanks.
love you guys so much.
Yeah.
See you in the next one.
Hopefully this motivated you to clean your room.
Yes.
Go do it. All right.
We love you. Bye.
See ya.